I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi extender. First, let's understand what a Wi-Fi extender does. It essentially takes your existing wireless signal and rebroadcasts it, helping to eliminate those annoying dead zones in your home or office. The key to its effectiveness is proper placement. You'll want to position it roughly halfway between your main router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weakest. This ensures it receives a strong enough signal to extend effectively, covering up to 1,000 square feet. Setting up your Wi-Fi extender is usually a breeze. Most extenders offer a simple setup process. Begin by plugging the extender into a power outlet close to your main router. Then, using a computer or smartphone, connect to the extender's temporary wireless network. You'll typically find the network name and password on the extender itself or in its quick start guide. Once connected, a setup wizard will guide you through linking it to your existing home Wi-Fi network, often taking less than 5 minutes. To get the most out of your Wi-Fi extender, a little optimization goes a long way. After initial setup, try moving the extender to a few different spots to find the sweet spot that provides the strongest signal to your dead zones. Regularly checking for and installing firmware updates is also crucial, as these often include performance enhancements and security fixes. For homes with many devices, a dual-band extender, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, can offer significantly faster and more reliable connections. The benefits of a well-placed and configured Wi-Fi extender are substantial. You'll experience seamless internet access throughout your entire space, eliminating frustrating buffering and dropped connections. This extended coverage can even reach outdoor areas like your patio or garage, perfect for smart devices or outdoor entertainment. Plus, by offloading some devices to the extender, your main router can handle its primary tasks more efficiently, leading to a more robust and reliable network for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.